everyone, welcome back to Sunday Live Show, and thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what is going to happen on the river from the 26th to the 30th of September 2022 on Monday. Angelina risked it all to save her family, and Lindiwe has a favor to ask Andile on Tuesday. Lindiwe's past find its way to the present, and Paulina's rage and pain pushes her to do the unthinkable on Wednesday. Andile has a bone to pick with yet another parent. The Mokoena family is torn apart, and the Hlopos feel a crisis creeping toward them on Thursday. Lindiwe finally decides to put the past behind her, not knowing the extent of the game that it's being played. Angelina seems to have some regret on Friday. Angelina battles with the consequences of her actions while the Hlopos fight to save their loved ones. Guys, this is all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.